welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing my hair secrets with you all. I get a lot of questions on a daily basis as well as compliments regarding my hair and what I generally use for my hair growth. Here's the answer. Nature Sure's Jonk Tail or Leech Oil. This is a very interesting product and I'm going to be telling you the details and benefits of using this one. Now before that, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. This is Nature Sure's Jonk Tail or Leech Oil. Now if you don't know already, the saliva of leech contains hirudin, and when the leech sucks onto your scalp, the hirudin in the saliva results in microcirculation of the blood so as to nourish the scalp and hair shaft. This is a very ancient technology. Even the Queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, used to use this technology in order to have beautiful nourishing hair. This very technology has been used by Nature Sure, and by using that method they have brought this amazing hair oil which is called the Leech Oil or Jonk Tail. I know hair loss problem, dandruff, these are very common problem which both male and female of our generation face on a daily basis, and one of the major reasons has to be our bad lifestyle. It's very stressful and the environmental pollution around us definitely make it worse. Now at this condition, we definitely need a product like this which is infused with natural ingredients which would help in increasing the blood circulation in our scalp so as to open the hair follicles, which would result in hair growth. Now most of the baldness or hair loss problem happens because of lack of blood circulation in our scalp. Often the hair follicles get closed, new hair from the follicles often cannot come out. As a result of it, we get baldness, endless problems of hair. These problems are going to be taken care by this amazing hair oil. I wouldn't lie, I was at first very skeptical, but after having used this product religiously over some time now, I have definitely seen visible results. My hair has definitely become softer, stronger, and of course very healthy. I definitely had to share this product with my YouTube fam so that you guys can also reap the benefits of this product. Comes in the simple cardboard packaging, and when you open this up, you get the green bottle which has got the hair oil. Now it's very easy to use. All you have to do is take generous amount of the oil onto your palm and then massage it in circular motion in your scalp. Massage it for 15 minutes or so, and after that keep it overnight, and in the morning rinse it off with lukewarm water or normal water. Now I'll be very frank with you, we do not get time to oil our hair on a regular basis because of our work and other things that we have in hand, but I would say that you can do it during the weekends or alternate days so that you get the benefit of this oil. Now it has 110 ml of the product and the price is 239 rupees. Best part is that the oil is non-sticky. I'm sure you would be able to see the visible change once you start using it religiously. Both male and female can use it. It is GMP certified, ISO certified, so you can tell that it is 100% safe to use. This oil definitely helps prevent hair loss, nourishes hair and scalp, promotes faster hair regrowth, and fights dandruff and fungus. This is clinically and dermatologically tested. It gives you good results. I've already recommended it to my friends and family, and they have already started using it and they have themselves seen the results. So yeah, it's time for you to give this product a shot and be prepared to be impressed. I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing this amazing hair oil in the description box below. So go ahead, get your hands on it now. That's it for today's video. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.